it is me, Zarella, and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from GeniusWigs, and y'all, they have this new crystal lace. Okay, so I'm showing you on the screen. The first lace is the brown lace, and then the second one is the transparent lace, and then the third one is the crystal lace. And this, you can't see it, like it's invisible, as you can see on my hand, invisible. And then I showed you the comparisons to all three of them. Oh, it looks so good. And then look at this, y'all. This wig is so natural looking. It's already plugged and bleached. It's just ready to go. Like, it's ready to just be installed and you're gonna be good to go. You don't have to do no extra work to it. I added a little makeup on top because I'm just so used to doing that, but you do not have to do that, okay? I would just add makeup to the part. Any part that you're gonna do, I would add the makeup so it'll look like it's like you're lighter than your skin color. But I love this wig. This hair texture is like a kinky texture, so it just looks so natural, you know. And then the best thing about this wig is it is a wet and wavy wig, so you can wear it kinky, straight, beautiful and bouncy like that, or you can wear it in the curly texture. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think about this wig down below, and don't forget to check out GeniusWigs. Everything about this hair will be linked down below. Check them out.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Like the motherfucking man lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. you.